Climate change is very overwhelming. People are unsure of what they can do to help. So we created the Cool Hood Champs program to spur local, hands-on, and fun collective action to help change attitudes and deliver rapid community solutions. In a pilot Cool Hood Champs workshop, we recruited, trained, and empowered local champions. Here's what some of those new champions had to say about the program.
Hi, my name is Sam. I'm a student at UBC.
Hi, my name is Aruj Gavachan.
My name is Kanad and I'm from India. I've done my master's in urban planning, so I'm an urban planner, and I'm really passionate about environment.
My kind of conviction to participate was to learn more about the city as we're growing, the urban environment.
I learned about just the environmental impact on health, and I just became more inspired to make a difference.
So I just wanted to explore as to what is really important in the context of Vancouver. And after attending, the two workshops, I'm really, I would say, impressed. Approach towards carbon sequestration. So the professor and the people who have been organizing these workshops have been able to present a very complex, I would say, complex concept in a very simple way, so that the local citizens, the residents of neighborhood are able to assess and analyze and participate.
That there's other people in the community concerned with, so I don't feel isolated. It's a type of connection with getting out from a sense of aloneness to a sense of engagement.
I just liked how you guys led the workshop and made it inclusive, but also very positive. I think that everyone kind of had the feeling that they could share their ideas and it would be very safe and very helpful. We could all work together.
I look forward to learn more about climate change and mitigation process through these workshops, and look forward to apply the learnings into my own neighborhood and see how I as a person can contribute individually at a grassroots level.
The divergence of intergeneration, for example, there were young people with new ideas, students, and then older people or elders who have maybe own buildings, and how do they kind of create an example of the community of sustaining and developing where they live. They just basically want to create a healthier, happier, and a joyful neighborhood.
It's just an amazing experience for me, and I'm really enjoying this workshop.
It was inspiring to see just the ideas grow. People would put out an idea and then other people would give advice, and then before you know it, there's an actual climate action plan.